Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by creating the frames you'll test. Add 320, 768, and 1024 widths and enable layout grids so spacing stays consistent. Next, assign constraints on key components, left, right, center, scale, so elements respond predictably. Use auto layout for buttons and lists to keep padding and distribution intact. Once done, name layers and components logically so you can swap variants quickly. This foundation prevents layout drift and makes the breakpoint process efficient from the very first interaction. Now convert reusable elements into variants that represent each breakpoint state, so a single component holds its desktop, tablet, and phone versions. In each variant, tweak spacing, hide or show elements, and scale type while keeping the baseline grid consistent. Use instances across frames so changes propagate. Edit the main component and see updates everywhere. Once variants are in place, connect frames in prototype mode or use interactive components to simulate real breakpoint transitions for testing and handoff. Finish by testing your prototype across device sizes, preview on desktop and a phone, and use Figma's Inspect panel to verify CSS values and spacing. Make iterative refinements to constraints, auto layout padding, and variant states until transitions are smooth. When you're happy, update master components and publish the library so teammates get fixes. If something breaks, first check auto layout direction and nested component order. Then verify constraints aren't conflicting. That troubleshooting step resolves most responsive issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.